Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Italian sausage in an air fryer. Start by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures your sausages cook evenly from the start. Next, place your Italian sausages in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It's crucial not to overcrowd the basket. Give them space so the hot air can circulate properly, leading to perfectly cooked, crispy results every time. Now let's get cooking. Place your sausages in the preheated air fryer and cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through, around the 6 or 7-minute mark, to ensure they brown beautifully on all sides. The key is to reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, or 71 degrees Celsius, for safe and delicious eating. To confirm your sausages are perfectly done, always use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the sausage. It should read 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll also notice they're beautifully golden brown and firm to the touch. Once cooked, transfer them to a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making them even more flavorful and tender. Your delicious air-fried Italian sausages are now ready to enjoy. They are incredibly versatile and pair wonderfully with a variety of sides. Try them alongside a classic pasta dish, with sautéed peppers and onions, or simply nestled in a crusty bun with your favorite toppings. This method offers a quick, easy, and incredibly flavorful way to prepare Italian sausage, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.